The one-eyed donut. The eyeball can be removed. The main body. Start with blue yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with the thumb and middle finger. If the yarn tail is too short, we can pull the yarn tail to make it longer. If the yarn tail is too long, we can pull the other side to shorten it. Leave a long yarn tail here. First, make a knot in this way. Place the hook under the yarn. Twist the hook anti-clockwise to wrap the yarn. Pinch the crossover of the yarn. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A knot is made. In round 1, start with 20 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Mark the right loop of the first chain stitch. Continue to work chain stitches. We need to finish 20 chain stitches in total. Twenty chain stitches are done. Then put one slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the marked loop. Yarn under the hook and put up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then put the first loop on the hook through the other loop on the hook. Tighten up. That's one slip stitch. The slip stitch serves a connection. It is now counted into the number of digits. Next, one chain stitch, yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of digits. Then with 20 single crochets, the hook should go through the loops on one side of the chain. We need to work one single crochet in each stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish 20 single crochets in total. Twenty single crochets are done. We can see two small V shapes here. One is the slip stitch, and the other one is the chain stitch. Skip these two V shapes and put one slip stitch in the mark stitch. Remove the marker and put one slip stitch in the mark stitch to join this round. The slip stitch is a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work a stack up 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 10 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch at the beginning is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then with 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. With 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. 1 set is done. There are 3 V's on the side. Keep working 9 more sets. The second set. With 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set is done. The third set, with 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, with 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The third set is done. Keep working 7 more sets, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. We have demonstrated 5 sets. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself, with 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Ten sets are done. Remove the marker and with 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The slip stitch is a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done.